Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed his gratitude and pride as he attended the celebratory event marking the National Medical Commission's approval of the PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital located at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. In his address, the Chief Minister emphasized the visionary legacy of the late Purno A. Sangma, who believed that people are the best investment for the nation's future. He noted that the establishment of the medical college was a significant tribute to the late leader's ideals, life and enduring legacy. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma also extended his heartfelt appreciation to Professor Mehbubul Haq and the USTM community for immortalizing Purno A. Sangma's name through this initiative. He wished the PA Sangma International Medical College all success in its mission, expressing hope that the institution would inspire others to strive for what seems impossible, bring many aspirations to life, and faithfully serve the community.
Day, an important celebration, and a milestone which I don't have to explain, but has been achieved after great effort and work that has been put in by the family of USTM. I first of all would like to take this opportunity to really congratulate Mr. Hawk and the entire team at USTM on this great and amazing milestone of getting the approval from the NMC for a 150-seat medical college, the PA Sangma International Medical College. These organizations come out with the best performance that one can imagine. And the crux of all of this, I'll tell you, apart from the values and principles that are there, values of quality, values of perseverance, of hard work, principles of hard work, lies a very important aspect, which again I believe in, is a very, very strong, connected, humble leadership that is necessary. I have come to believe that at the core of the difference between an organization or a team that performs versus a team that does not perform that well are sets of values and sets of principles that these organizations believe in and work towards. And that is what differentiates a good organization from a not that great organization.